Hello friend, as you know I am from India, that is why I say all time namaste to all of you. See, today I am going to teach you how to use a pen drive in the laptop and how to use a DVD in the laptop. If you don't know about this, please watch full video, you will learn good thing. If you know this already, please skip the video. Let's start the video. And one more thing, if you come first time to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Okay? See, I have a laptop. In this laptop, I have a Windows 10 installed. You may have laptop installed with the Windows 7. You may have laptop installed with the Windows 8. How to use a pen drive in this? This is very important is that if you want to transfer data from one laptop to other laptop, you want to take data from one city to other city, pen drive is very important. As you know, in the market, you will get the 8 GB pen drive, 16 GB pen drive, 32 GB pen drive. What is GB? This is the capacity of the pen drive. More GB, it means that more data you can save. Clear to you? A simple way how to connect and how to take the data from this. Suppose I have a two pen drive. One is a 16 GB pen drive and one is a 32 GB pen drive. In 16 GB pen drive, I can take a 16 up to 16 GB data. In 32 GB pen drive, I can take a 32 GB data. Okay, clear to you? Second thing, I tell you one thing. You see, this is the DVD drive I have, DVD disk I have. This is the capacity of this one is 4.7 GB. I have a data for up to 4.7 GB. I can write it, but the speed you will get in the pen drive is better than this one. So now market the DVD, not lot of people using the pen drive. Simple way. Suppose this is a laptop I have and I want to connect the pen drive. You see, all the laptop has a USB port. You see, this is a USB port, one USB port, two USB port, three USB port. Some laptop has a 4 USB port. So you can connect this pen drive to the any of the USB port. Sub 3 are there and one more is there. I connected the mouse in this. See, this is USB port is very important port. The full form of USB port is universal serial bus. Nowadays, you want to connect a printer, you have to connect with this USB port. You want to connect the mobile phone, you have to connect with this. This is universal. Anything you can connect that come on the USB basis. So I'm going to connect this pen drive. See, nothing is open. I just connect. If you put it a round way, it will not connect it. So always it's go the right way. See, this is going. I just connect it and insert this like way. Simple. Just press it. When you press this, you will see something will open. Okay, see, there is this PC in Windows 10. This PC, just I open this PC, click it here and open it, and you will see there is a one thing is called USB drive. You see, this is the pen drive. See, when I remove the pen drive, you will see this is missing. Okay, now it's gone. Again I connect the pen drive, you will find again the USB port is there. Wait, this is a USB pen drive is there. Suppose I want to copy any file from my computer, I want to copy anything from the laptop. What I have to do? Simple. Suppose I want to connect, I want to take a picture backup. See, I click on this simply and I want to take this photo. See, I want to take this photo from this laptop to other laptop. Simply I go on this, I click a right button on this picture, I copy it from here. There are two options is there. One is cut option is there, one is copy option is there. If I cut here, the file will miss from here, and if I copy this thing, then my file will be there also, and I can take the file to some other place also. I go on copy and I go back here and I click on the pen drive. Okay, when I click, the pen drive will open. I click here on the right side and go for the paste. See, the photo is here. Now I want to see, I want to check the photo. You can click here and you can check the photo, the same photo what was there, it is in my pen drive. Now I want to take this pen drive to somewhere else. Simple, I have to take this here, I have to remove the pen drive. I can insert this pen drive to any laptop, so then I can transfer my photo. Okay, same way you want to do the document, same way you want to do the movie. So all way this is only the copy and paste. Okay, now I tell you how to use a CD or DVD in the laptop. Simple. All the laptop you will find the CD drive or CD writer is there. See, this laptop has a CD writer and I press one button over there. There is a button over there. When I press it, the tray will come out. The tray is coming out, and nowadays you will get, if you buy the laptop, lot of a laptop is not coming with the CD or DVD drive. So if you have an old laptop, in that you will get the CD and DVD drive. See, I have a DVD. How to insert this? Simple. You see, this is the round place over there and there is a round place over there. You have to fix your set on this and press it again, and you can rotate it and press here. Okay, when I do this, again I have to open this PC. See, I open this PC. There is a lens over there. You see DVD drive is not showing anything, it is reading. You see here the computer is reading slowly. So it will show this data in this DVD drive. Okay, now you check it out. Now 0 byte free of 3.69 GB. Now you want to open this and just click here on the DVD drive and open it. You will come to know and come to see that what is here in the DVD drive. You can see the data. Suppose you want to copy anything from DVD to the laptop, simple way. Suppose I want to copy this file, I click here on the copy, and again I want to do this thing, so I simply go to desktop, I go here, I paste it. So the file will from the CD that will go on the laptop desktop. See, this is a only simple way. And you want to copy anything from the laptop to the DVD writer, it is not possible, because there is only one way, that RW divider is there, then you can read and write. This is only one time writable. So I think this is simple way I taught you how to use a pen drive in the laptop, how to use a DVD and CD. And one more thing I show you, that in the market you will find different kind of CD or DVD. See, I have a small one. See, I have a two thing over there. Now you have a limited data. Suppose you will find the small CD and DVD, and if you have big data you will find this big and DVD CD. But nowadays this is obsolete. Now people not using this DVD and CD. Lot of people using the pen drive, lot of people using the Google Drive, lot of people using the mobile phone to transfer data. I think this is a very basic knowledge I gave you in this video, how to transfer data from pen drive to the laptop, how to transfer data from the CD to the laptop. Very simple. If I like this video, please comment it and share it. Lot of people in the world do not know about how to do all these things. Okay, ultimately I say namaste to all of you, because I am from India.